Hemp is one of the oldest plants known to man. It was probably the first plant farmed by humans for medicinal, textiles, and pottery purposes. Archaeologists working on an island near Japan found hemp inside pottery shards dating back 10,000 years ago. The Chinese later used hemp for rope, clothes, and shoes. The Chinese were probably the first civilization that discovered that hemp seed was enriched with vitamins and proteins and an excellent source of food and nutrition. The first mention of Chinese using hemp for medicinal purposes was in the year 2737 BC, when the Chinese Emperor Shen Nung used hemp to make a tea to alleviate stomach pains. He also made the oil from hemp into salves and lotions to apply to skin rashes and to help with muscle aches and pains. Hemp farming spread from China to the Middle East between 2000 BC and 800 BCE. It was considered one of the 5 sacred plants of India. In Egypt, an ancient text referred to the use of hemp oil as an eye wash. Hemp spread to Europe by the 16th century, and the new settlers in America started growing hemp around 1615 for clothing, food, and ship sales. As the word spread about the wonderful properties derived from the hemp plant, Americans started growing hemp all across the country over the next 200 years. In 1937, hemp was sidelined in America. The Congress passed the Marijuana Tax Act, which criminalized the drug. Unfortunately, hemp was included in the bill because it looked and smelled like marijuana, and nobody realized that hemp had these great medicinal properties and that you couldn't get high on hemp. While Americans could not buy, sell, or use hemp for several decades, the research on hemp continued on by universities and scientists in laboratories. The next amazing event in the history of hemp in 1992 was the discovery of the human endocannabinoid system by scientists at the National Institute of Mental Health. They discovered that humans, as well as other animals, have 2 receptors in their bodies. These receptors and the endocannabinoid system are responsible for assisting in the maintenance of many of our bodily functions in life, the largest of which is homeostasis, keeping our bodies and minds on track and free from diseases and other stresses on our systems. Further research proved that CBD oil extracted from the hemp plant nourishes and boosts the cannabinoid system and leads to a healthier way of life. It is the one supplement that your body needs to maintain a healthy and possibly longer life. After many more discoveries by scientists and nutritionists of the benefits of the hemp plant and CBD over the last 30 years, the American Congress passed the 2018 Farm Bill, which decriminalized hemp and allowed for the farming and sale of hemp and hemp products. Many states followed by passing their own laws, allowing for the farming and sale of hemp and hemp products, causing a green rush to CBD supplements. All of this history has led the founders of the CBD Health Club to devote their time and efforts to the education of the people of the world about the miracle of CBD oil and how it can enhance your health and mental well-being. Research projects, as well as anecdotal evidence from users of CBD oil, have shown that CBD oil can help with improving sleep quality, relieving pain and reducing inflammation, depression, anxiety, heart disease, and acne. The time is now. The founders invite you to join the CBD Health Club and get your first bottle of full-spectrum 500 mg CBD oil tincture at our special introductory club price of $19.95 plus shipping. Typical CBD oil prices can run over $100 per bottle. Just click on the Join button on the website, complete your information, and we will get your bottle in the mail to you. As a member of the CBD Health Club, we will also be sending you important information via emails and conference calls throughout the year about nutrition, sleep, exercise, and other amazing tips to help you with your health and mental well-being. So click on that Join button now and prepare yourselves for adventure in wellness.